If your lawn keeps turning brown, patchy, thin, or full of weeds despite fertilizers and sprays, the problem is not the grass, it's the soil underneath. Chinese families and gardeners have nurtured lawns and green spaces for generations without relying on synthetic chemicals. They follow Yang Tu, the ancient art of building living soil, using simple kitchen gifts like rice, water, and natural amendments. They create thick, resilient turf that stays greener with far less work and no unnatural products that harm the earth. Chemical fertilizers and sprays kill soil life, bacteria, fungi, and worms that naturally feed the grass. This creates dependency and recurring problems. The Chinese way builds a living soil foundation, so your lawn thrives naturally, just as ancestral wisdom has sustained green spaces across China. Brown patches often result from stressed micro-poor soil. Save the cloudy water every time you wash rice, a daily Chinese kitchen habit. Ferment it 3 to 7 days. This natural mi shui introduces beneficial microbes and gentle nutrients that help suppress fungi and strengthen turf. Dilute and apply to affected areas at dawn. Many see greener recovery in 2 to 3 weeks as the soil comes alive. Weeds invade thin, weak grass. Build density the Chinese way. Overseed heavily in early fall with grass or a grass-clover mix. After rain, pull weeds upward by the roots, then lightly top dress with grass clippings or fine straw mulch. This traditional mulching blocks light to weeds while feeding the soil as it decomposes, common practice for maintaining lush green spaces. Compaction prevents roots from breathing. Use a garden fork to gently aerate every 6 to 8 inches, rocking lightly to loosen without destruction. A hand tool tradition in Chinese gardening. Top dress with compost or fine organic matter. Apply fermented rice water and overseed. The living soil rebuilds stronger roots for thicker turf. For soggy areas, aerate and add organic matter to improve structure naturally. For dog spots, water immediately to dilute. Apply a bit of wood ash to help neutralize. And reseed. The nurtured soil recovers quickly without chemicals. For soggy areas, aerate and add organic matter to improve structure naturally. For dog spots, water immediately to dilute, apply a bit of wood ash to help neutralize, and reseed. The nurtured soil recovers quickly without chemicals. Yellow grass signals unavailable nutrients in dead soil. Fermented rice water and jiaosu deliver balanced trace elements and microbes that unlock what the grass needs naturally. No synthetic boosts required for that deep green color. Prevention is daily care. Save and use fermented rice water regularly on your lawn. The effortless Chinese kitchen to yard secret. Make jiaosu from scraps for a powerful boost. It even serves as a natural home cleaner. Leave grass clippings, mulch lightly with straw or organics. Mow higher, 4 inches, for deep roots, and water deeply but infrequently at dawn. Incorporate clover or Chinese milk veg-inspired cover-in mixes for natural nitrogen. Observe your soil. Dark, crumbly, full of life means success. Align with seasons like traditional Chinese gardeners. Spring/fall for aeration and top dressing. Fall for overseeding. In 1 to 2 seasons, transition from chemical dependency to a self-sustaining greener lawn with minimal effort. This is natural Chinese wisdom for beautiful living green spaces. These are the practical, natural things Chinese people do to maintain greener lawns and yards without unnatural chemicals. Simple, effective, and soil-honoring. Start with rice water from your next meal. Subscribe for more Chinese natural tips on lawns, gardens, home care, and growing strong greens the traditional way. Share your results below.